Hi, my name is Cindy. If you're new to my channel, I make lifestyle videos. I do exercise videos, makeup videos, nail videos, and things like that. So if that interests you, please like and subscribe. But today, if you want to see how we get these nails on, keep watching, okay? Thank you. So today, we're going to do a set of nails called Coral Crush. I picked these off the Dashing Diva site last year, and I have used one set, but I didn't record them. It was before I was came back to YouTube. And anyway, these are what they look like in person. And so we've got enough for one set, and then I've got a few extras if I need them from last set too. But we're going to only use those if we have to. So let's go ahead and look at my natural nails. This nail snapped off when I was, it's a little bit snapped off whenever I was taking them off, and I filed it down, and I come in here messing around, then I noticed some more, so it's extra short. And so that's what happens when you don't wear nails. Your nails can break easily. I did go ahead and file this one down and this one down just a little bit, and this one down just a little bit so they wouldn't look quite so much longer than this one. And in case they were getting kind of thin, I didn't want the same fate happening to them, but I didn't really take very much. They are again. So what I might do is not do any talking or much talking so that we can speed through this, and so hopefully no one will get bored. I did take my set off, and I've got 2 coats of clear on here on my natural nails. And I'll have to tell you a little story. Whenever I purchased these, I thought they were so pretty, and I could see them on Amazon for about $30 for the set. But then I went on the Dashing Diva website, and I just paid regular price for them. Was it $10 or $12? I think it was $10. So, okay, I'm going to quit talking now, and then so with that I can speed this up, and it won't be so long for you guys. Okay, I'm back. So if you watched me put them on, I'm gonna put that in fast mode so it didn't take so long. You can tell that I had a couple of nails that I was not happy with the way I laid them down, and I pulled them off. This nail I actually put more clear polish on it because it looked like it had pulled off all the clear polish from underneath. And then this one I did not put more polish on, but this is the one that's a little extra short. And since I did have to do the work on them, and since they are just solid color and sort of thin, I put a regular nail polish top coat on there, and just to kind of give a little bit more shine. And hopefully these will last all week. As far as last week's nails, I did take a midweek picture of them, or did a short, and immediately I had to replace 4 nails, and then the thumbnail, the moon had broke off, and on the 2 center fingers, I had to like cut a thing, and they never did really good. But I forced myself to wear them all week because I only want to change my nails once a week. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye bye.